So let's go ahead and walk through this real fast, and yeah, let's see what we got. So the first two things, actually, for the sake of something that everybody should get in the habit of really doing. Whoops, wrong one. So I'm going to have all of my, especially for people new to programming who are undoubtedly going to end up writing methods that are 10,000 lines long. Declaring your variables at the top is actually a pretty good practice to have.
Finally said it. Yes, declaring variables. So that is variable declaration that's taking place there. We are declaring these variables shall exist in this method, and they shall be able to hold data of the type we have specified. And with the identifier, we can get back to them easily.
Yep. And it's good to have them all at the top because, well, otherwise things get really, really, really confusing. Because, again, if the method's short, then it doesn't matter as much. But I know everybody here, every person who's new to programming, including myself, will end up writing methods so long that this is a good practice to get in the habit of. So, anyway, what we have up here are our variables. And our variables are, again, just a place to put data that have a particular name. So we have our user's left value, user's right value, user's text input, and result. These two are integers, meaning the only data that these variables can contain are positive and negative whole numbers. And so as result is an integer as well. Whereas this is a string. This user's text input may contain textual data, either in the form of a return from console readline or in the form of a string literal. So these lines are not actually executable code. They don't really do anything when the program is ran. This right here is the first line of executable code, and this is the first thing that the computer will do once our program runs. And what we have here is, again, just something that we've been playing with quite a bit for the last, week and a half now, is the concept of writing output into the console. So I won't really talk about that too much, but this is where things start to get interesting. The first thing we do is we take the value of whatever is returned by console.readline and we stuff it into user's text input. User's text input just now contains whatever we typed into the console in the form of a string.